Hey everybody, so we got a quick haul from Target and Walmart, their camera stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a couple items from, one from Walmart and two items from Target yesterday. And I'm just going to do them in the same video because, you know, this Anker cable is a USB-C to USB-C. It is a power delivery cable. It will do up to 60 watts. Supports 60 watts pass-through. Charge phones and tablets. I grabbed it because it was $9. Usually these cables from Anker, especially this style cable, the Powerline Select Plus cables, they're usually 15-20 bucks for a 6-footer. So I grabbed that, and eventually down the road I will do, you know, reviews on some of these items, you know, after I've had them for a while. The two items I picked up from Target is actually what the camera is sitting on at the moment, which this is a Targus brand, and I got it from Target a long time ago, probably 2 or so years ago, and it's fallen apart, but they rebranded, I guess, and now everything they sell is made by Mercury Innovations. I've had another Mercury tripod on the video on the channel before. I grabbed both of the ones that they had because I use these a lot for these tabletop videos like this, and it was 33 bucks. You know, it was $30 plus tax. They're 15 a piece, and I'll show you guys. This is the Targus version, but it basically looks just like this. But this one is falling apart. It's got a screw in the bottom, and these legs, it's basically a shaft with 2 rods on each side. The rods are, I don't know, like 1/4 of an inch long. They're maybe 1/16 around, and they're actually a part of these legs. And one of them, both the pins on each side broke on one of these legs, and in order to keep the leg in, I have to keep tightening it. The problem is that it's also lopsided, like, because of the damage to the leg, it's actually making this platform crooked. It's actually facing us, which is making me have to zigzag everything. So the hinge right here is actually pointed forward, as you can see, and this one is pointed backwards and slightly to the right, just to get it to be somewhat straight with the camera. So I picked up 2 more, you know, 15 bucks. The Targus one, when I bought it, was like 25 bucks or something like that. I think it was $29. It came out to 30 bucks by itself. So having 2 more for the price of the one Targus one, it's pretty nice. I don't normally use these little phone holders because they're too small. You know, I usually have the big phones. The phone I'm carrying right now is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, 256 gig, or the 512 gig model. But all I wanted was the tripods, so these are a lot nicer. They're exactly the same. The only difference is they say Mercury on them. They still extend ×2 on the legs, but this one's actually stiff. You can actually see how stiff it is, and it's actually, this base is straight. So because I also use this as a wand. I'll hold the camera like this from the legs. So, but you know, just figured to show you guys. You know, they if you guys are still interested in, you know, I know some of you guys are looking for these little tiny tripods, but Target carries them again. So if you guys need them, you guys can go pick them up. They collapse to 2.75 inches, so 2 1/4 or 3/4, 2 3/4 of an inch. and they go as high as 7 inches. Part number, if there is one, Mary Ingrid, Tony Paul, Mary 07-101. If you guys are interested, hopefully it helps you guys. And you know, the cable, I'm not going to take the cable out of the box on camera. It's just a charging cable. I'm sure you guys have seen me do lots of videos on charging cables. But I use these tripods a lot for all the videos I've done underneath vehicles, on the ground. You know, the drive shaft video that I did, I was using this tripod. So this tripod has been definitely abused that the camera's on. It's not surprising to me that it's falling apart and the legs are actually bending. They're curving. This actual GoPro setup that I have on here is actually quite heavy. But just a small little haul. Basically show you guys what it looks like in the two different sizes. Fully extended and collapsed. So I grabbed 2 of them. It's, you know, 15 bucks is better than 30 for one. I appreciate you guys watching. You know, if you guys need any information, you want me to link these, maybe you can I could find a Amazon link for them. I will. I'll post them down below. Appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. That's kind of nice. The cable did come with a little baggie. That's cool. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!